Welcome guys, so today I'm gonna show you how you can enter pairing mode in your Amazfit PowerBuds. So all you have to do, remember to charge the case at least to the 50% and earbuds inside. Next you have to open the case. Right here you'll find the button that you have to click and hold just like that until this indicator on front start blinking. So once you make it, you can just release, and right now you can go on your device and open the available devices list, and as you can see right now, after a few seconds, Amazfit PowerBuds appears on the list. So to sum up, you have to simply use this button right here inside. Let me just catch focus. I hope that you can see it right now. Click and hold it, and after that you will be connected. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.